Guys, summer is here and it's not taking easy on anyone. But guys, while most of the people are struggling with the heat, you can stay cool, fresh and stylish at the same time. If you have these 5 essentials ready, trust me, these small things can make a huge difference in your summer routine. It's going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you're coming on this channel for the first time, see that you keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Guys, summer comes with its challenges: blazing sun, humidity and that never-ending thirst. But instead of letting it wear you down, let's make the season smooth guys. Let's make it stylish and a refreshing experience as well. Come on guys, it's a vacation season, so let's make the most of it. So the first essential this summer season, and guys, let's start with the most obvious one that is often underestimated, and it is the sunglasses. Yes guys, sunglasses are not just about adding those points to your looks, they are very essential for your eye health. Guys, this blazing sun is too bright for your eyes and it also emits harmful UV rays. Now some people are sunglasses shy. I know that guys. Some people are very shy to wear sunglasses. If you are one of them, then see that you comment below. Because guys, now it's time to start wearing those sunglasses. They will reduce the harsh glaze and will help you to see comfortably even under bright sun. Plus guys, a good pair instantly lifts your style game, making you look sharp and summer ready. Moving on to the second one, and the second one is guys, your deodorant stick. You guys know that we sweat a lot in the summer, and that sweat in your underarms starts smelling guys. Now many people ignore this because they can't smell their own odor, so they think that they don't smell. Well, as a matter of fact guys, it puts all the people around you in discomfort, especially in a setting where you are working in a nice air-conditioned office and your colleagues are very close to you working with each other. Or if you are traveling by flight, which most of us people will do during our vacation time, or even when you're traveling by bus, where people are seated very close to you and now they are annoyed because of your stinky smell. So finding the right deo which works best on your body is a must-to-do task for you guys. If you are already using a deo stick that you think works best for you, then see that you comment below and let us know the name of that deo stick guys, so that we can try it out and let's help other people as well guys. Many people are trying to find the best deodorant stick for themselves guys, and you can help them just by commenting below. It's a small thing that makes a huge difference guys. When you smell nice, people like you. And when do you know that you smell nice? Yes guys, you will start hearing comments from people. They will ask about the perfume you use. They will ask you what you use to smell so nice. And it's a nice question, right? And with that, let's move on to the third essential. And the third essential is guys, is your water bottle. Guys, I can't stress more upon this. The moment some people hear the name water, they get kind of annoyed. In summer, you are going to feel thirsty for sure. But instead of water, if you start to drink wrong things, then you are setting yourself up for trouble guys. Guys, these aerated drinks will only quench your thirst for few seconds. After that, you are going to feel thirsty again immediately because they are going to dehydrate you. So always carry a stylish water bottle with you guys and keep sipping that water time to time. With that, let's move on to the fourth essential. And the fourth essential is guys, wear light clothing. Guys, stop wearing those wool or thick clothing during summer. I don't even recommend wearing a jacket during summer guys. Imagine you go to the market wearing those gloves, that jacket, that helmet, and just to take those out and to do the shopping and wear them again is a huge task guys. It will dehydrate you, it will make you tired, so avoid all this heavy clothing guys. They will not only put you in discomfort, but they will also make you tired. What I recommend you this summer season is wear nice linen pants and wear nice long sleeves linen shirt with collar without folding the sleeves guys. Because when you fold the shirt, it will expose your skin to harmful UV rays and you will have to apply more sunscreen. So to avoid applying more sunscreen, see that you don't fold your sleeves so that it will cover your body well. And with that, let's move on to the fifth essential. And the fifth essential, you guys already heard it. It's the sunscreen lotion. Yes guys, finally, never skip the sunscreen. It's your defense against skin damage. Now guys, I know that the sunscreen is very sticky kind of sometimes, especially when you are applying it. It makes your skin look oily. That is the reason why I'm telling you guys, cover yourself well so that you don't have to apply too much sunscreen. If you are wearing a long sleeves linen shirt with a collar, then your neck is also covered a little bit. Your hands are covered fully, only your wrist is exposed. So you will have to apply the sunscreen on your face, little bit on your neck and on your wrist. Because you will be wearing a long sleeves linen pants as well, and you should wear your shoes to cover your feet as well. So apply sunscreen, wear your sunglasses to avoid that bright sunlight, wear light clothing, they will really help guys, believe me. Apply that deodorant stick, keep sipping your water, and you will feel great this summer guys. So there you have it. Keep these 5 essentials handy this summer. And if you found this video useful guys, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.